So here I opened up my iPhone because the battery was deteriorating very badly, and I opened it up using a pentalobe screwdriver, which is here, and it looks kind of like that, like a star, and that's what you use to open up these screws here, the one there and the one there. They're called pentalobe screws. And next I will open up there, and there to open up where the connector is for the battery. And you must also make sure that the phone is turned off before you start. So thanks for watching. I'll update you next what happens. So I've after putting the charger port back into place, and I put the battery in, and now all I have to do now is just test the battery to see if it turns on. Just turn on the phone, and it turns on so far anyway. Yeah, it's just wait to see if the touchpad or the digitizer works, even though the screen isn't damaged. Should take a minute now. Yeah, it turns on. Yeah, it works anyway. So I'll just turn it back off.